So one of the things with this dressing is that depending on your dressing, it might have a little bit of a give. So when you wrap it, you don't want to pull on it too much because it's going to be too tight and compressive. Okay? Do you have any questions?
Yes.
Tell me.
So where would you anchor it? Let's say if they had 2 incisions here, like, or sorry, 2 here, like, or 2.
Oh, okay.
Would you anchor it at the pinky? Because here you anchor it at the thumb because of, you know, the
Yeah.
position at the wrist. So
Let's just take this off. So I don't have to wrap it, roll it. So for the pinky, I'd use a 1 inch, right?
the incisions here. Like
The incisions right here. So let me use a 1 inch. Of course we have 1 inches. So I'd use a 1 inch, right? And it's around the hand.
Just around.
So I might come around the hand like this, and then I would anchor it
To the pinky.
Oh, okay. Like this,
Oh, like that. Okay.
right? So then if it's between the pinky, you could come around this way, or you can come around this way. And then look, you see, it's gonna come this way, and you wanna put, because it's a weird spot. Right?
I
So
just didn't wanna just do it right
so
now when you
then
said it,
yeah, because it's gonna slide. So you'd anchor it here, and you could pull this down, and then use this to wrap it around. And then you could even, you know, you can even crisscross it and anchor it around the ring finger to come down this way, right? And then you'd leave a little bit of a slack on it, and then come around one more time like this to overlap. Because the question is, he had pin removals right here, and it's an awkward position because if you just wrap it around, it's just slipping and sliding. All right.